Hi everybody, thanks to Kanosh, we're in the kitchen and it's all about having fun in the kitchen and hanging out with friends. So I've got my doctor over here, my heart doctor, because you love food.
Oh yeah. Anna has been so kind and I'm really looking forward to her mastery here. As you guys know, I cook a little and I eat a lot, and I'm looking forward to seeing her mastery of desserts. And for me, we've kind of put something together in her repertoire for healthy cooking.
So today we've done exactly that. We've got no egg, we've got no flour, and it is super healthy and super easy. And for me, I love creating desserts you can do in under 5 minutes. Super quick.
So this is my mantra, right? 5 ingredients or less, 30 minutes or less, and preferably 5 to 10 minutes or less. And you know, cooking is love. It's what your mother gave you. And the bottom line is when you come together, break bread, you have to think about the process that got you the bread. And it's so much fun that the best parties are always in the kitchen.
Okay, so today what we're doing is something very healthy, very quick. And the beautiful thing is it is plant-based.
That's perfect.
So we've got tofu. So normally I use silken tofu because it's quite smooth. I've got soft, so this is going to be the first time I'm going to do it. But I'm going to add some soy milk to blend it to get that smoothness.
Okay.
And then the only thing I do is just finish off with dark chocolate. Okay, well, so we're going to turn it on.
What are you looking for?
So it's going to be really smooth. So currently see how it's not really blending very well. So
Shall
we can, add it all in. Let's see. Yep, it's better.
Yeah, it's good.
But we still need
A little
more soy milk. And the beautiful thing is, again, it's so simple to make.
Yeah.
But you know what? I'm not even going to put it together. And I love that you put a lot more mango than chocolate mousse.
More fun.
But it is nice and smooth and glossy. So the tofu mousse is a representation of, let's say, Ukraine. I'm going to add some.
Shall I?
And then I put a little bit of coconut. Because it gives it, obviously, texture.
I like it.
And you can see the layers as well. And then what I do is I actually spoon it on top. So I let it flowing.
So I'm going to make this a little different.
And I love that fact, actually, that you have put a lot of mango in there as well.
Oh my God, look at this. And I love the fact that you put chocolate in. Anyway, thank you so much. This was a real treat. Going with a master chef here.
But I think what you can do is you can go back onto your YouTube channel and watch yourself making it.
Done. And you guys should join us. And as always, if you like it, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can see more of these. And on Instagram, share this with all your friends.